Imagine standing on the surface of another world, where rivers flow across the land, rain falls from the sky, and thick orange clouds hide the sun forever. But this isn't Earth. The temperature here is cold enough to freeze your blood instantly. The air is toxic. The oceans are not water, but liquid methane. And yet, among all the worlds in our solar system, scientists believe this frozen moon may be one of the best places for humanity to survive after Earth. This is Titan, Saturn's largest moon, a place so alien, it looks like something from another universe. But the terrifying question is, could humans actually live there? Titan is the largest moon of Saturn, even bigger than the planet Mercury, discovered in 1655. Titan remained a mystery for centuries because its surface was hidden beneath a thick golden atmosphere. But when NASA's Cassini spacecraft finally arrived, scientists were stunned by what they found. Titan wasn't just another frozen moon. It had weather, seasons, lakes, rivers, rainstorms, sand dunes stretching for hundreds of kilometers. Titan is the only world besides Earth known to have stable liquids on its surface. But there's one terrifying difference. On Titan, water is frozen solid like rock, and the lakes are made from liquid methane and ethane. In some ways, Titan feels strangely familiar. Clouds drift across the sky. Rain falls onto valleys. Rivers carve landscapes over time. Winds shape giant dunes. It has mountains, shorelines, even possible underground oceans beneath the ice. Scientists sometimes describe Titan as a distorted mirror of early Earth, a world where chemistry may resemble conditions billions of years ago before life began here. But despite its similarities, Titan is unimaginably hostile to humans. The average temperature reaches -179 degrees Celsius, cold enough to freeze steel brittle. If exposed directly to Titan's atmosphere, a human would die within moments. Standing on Titan would feel surreal. The sky would glow with a permanent orange haze. Sunlight would appear incredibly dim. At noon, Titan is darker than Earth during sunset. Saturn itself would loom overhead like a giant striped god hanging in the sky. Through the haze, rivers of methane would flow across frozen terrain. Lakes, larger than Earth's Great Lakes, would stretch into the distance. Rain could begin falling silently around you. Not water, liquid natural gas. And because Titan's gravity is much lower than Earth's, humans could potentially fly using artificial wings strapped to their arms. The atmosphere is so dense and gravity so weak that flight becomes almost effortless. Absolutely not. Titan's atmosphere is mostly nitrogen, similar to Earth, but there's almost no oxygen. Instead, the atmosphere contains methane and other hydrocarbons dangerous to human life. Without a spacesuit, suffocation would happen quickly. But oddly enough, Titan's atmosphere may actually protect humans better than Mars does. Unlike Mars, Titan has a thick atmosphere that shields the surface from much of space radiation. That means humans living on Titan might need less radiation protection than astronauts on Mars. In some ways, Titan could be safer than other worlds humans hope to colonize. Beneath Titan's frozen crust, scientists believe something incredible may exist. A hidden ocean, not methane, water. A massive underground ocean buried beneath layers of ice. Some estimates suggest this ocean may contain more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. And wherever liquid water exists, scientists ask the same question. Could life survive there? On Earth, life exists in some of the harshest environments imaginable. Deep beneath Antarctic ice, around volcanic vents at the bottom of the ocean, inside acidic lakes. If microbial life can survive extreme conditions on Earth, perhaps something could survive beneath Titan's frozen shell too. And if life exists there, Titan may become one of the most important discoveries in human history. But could humans actually build cities on Titan? Surprisingly, maybe. Titan contains enormous amounts of useful resources. Methane could potentially be used as fuel. Water ice could be melted into drinking water and oxygen. The thick atmosphere could help protect structures from radiation and micrometeorites. Scientists imagine giant heated domes covering future settlements, underground habitats carved beneath the ice, nuclear reactors generating energy in the darkness, massive greenhouses glowing beneath artificial light, entire civilizations surviving beneath Saturn's shadow. But building such colonies would be incredibly difficult. Titan is almost 1.4 times 10 to the ninth kilometers from Earth. Communication delays could last over an hour. Resupply missions would take years. Colonists would truly be alone. But the greatest danger on Titan may not be physical. It may be psychological. Imagine living your entire life beneath dark orange skies, never feeling sunlight directly on your skin, never breathing natural air, never hearing rain made of water, every trip outside requiring a protective suit, every mistake becoming fatal. Titan would feel isolated in a way humans have never experienced before. Earth would appear as nothing more than a tiny pale star in the distance. Entire generations could grow up without ever seeing oceans, forests, or blue skies. Humanity would survive, but would it still feel human? Surprisingly, some scientists believe Titan may eventually be easier to colonize than Mars. Mars has deadly radiation, thin atmosphere, massive dust storms, almost no protection from space. Titan, despite its brutal cold, offers natural radiation shielding, abundant chemicals, dense atmosphere, and potentially enormous underground water reserves. In the distant future, Titan could become a critical outpost for humanity deeper in the solar system, a frozen gateway beneath Saturn, one of the last surviving homes for our species after Earth. NASA is already preparing to explore Titan more closely. A mission called Dragonfly plans to send a nuclear-powered flying drone across Titan's surface. Unlike traditional rovers, Dragonfly will fly between locations searching for signs of chemistry linked to life. It will study Titan's atmosphere, surface composition, and possible habitability. For the first time, humanity may directly explore rivers and dunes on another world, and what Dragonfly discovers could change our understanding of life in the universe forever. Titan is beautiful, but terrifying. A frozen alien world covered in toxic rivers and endless haze. Yet among all the worlds beyond Earth, it may be one of humanity's greatest hopes. Somewhere beneath those orange clouds, hidden below layers of ice, may exist secrets untouched for billions of years. Perhaps even life itself. Humanity has always looked toward impossible frontiers, across oceans, across continents, and now toward the stars. One day, future generations may stand beneath Saturn's shadow and call Titan home. But they will also remember something terrifying. To survive there, humanity must leave behind the world where it was born, subscribe to Beyond Earth, and explore the mysteries hidden across the universe.